Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to my channel once again. I was thinking from the past a few days to create a complete video series in which I was thinking to discuss about some different type of topics which we are going through in our IT life. So in this video we are going to discuss about, do you need to learn cloud computing in 2020? So let's start. So in this video, we are going to discuss about 5 different points. The first point will be what is cloud computing. The second point will be how does cloud computing works. The third point will be different types of cloud computing services. The fourth point in which we are going to discuss about some examples of the cloud computings. And the fifth and the last one will be the career in cloud computing. So let's switch to the first point. The first point is what is cloud computing. Then in short, if we are going to think and if we are going to understand about what is cloud computing, then cloud computing is on-demand availability of computer system resources which is flexible and easy to scale. Now what is the meaning of easy to scale? So here I am going to give you an example. For example, you are having one website and you hosted it on one cloud services, and you took the data storage systems for 50 GB, but after 2 months or 3 months you are going to check your database onto the cloud, and you are able to see that your 50 GB is about to fill up, right? So what you are going to do, that you can easily scale it. It means you can easily change 50 GB storage to 100 GB or 200 GB. So it means cloud computing services is giving you flexibility to change your database size or your servers, like RAM, like these things. Easily you can scale up or you can decrease it. Okay, so cloud computing service is also especially used for data storage system and computing systems, which allow us also to process and access data either from your local system or from your local servers. Okay, now the next topic in which we are going to discuss about, like, how does cloud computing works. In the previous slide, as I told you that in cloud computing basically we are using for like data storage system and managing servers and all the things. So here you can able to see that in the blue cloud I mentioned as a servers, virtual desktops, software platforms, application and storage data. So just think, for this all these things is your ready to your website. Now what is happening, once you are hosting your database, your applications, your software platforms, servers onto the cloud system, then you can easily access through the, you can route and you can switch to the end user through the anywhere of the world into any kind of devices. Okay, now let's discuss the different type of cloud computing services. So basically there are three different kind of cloud computing services. The system is PaaS, SaaS and IaaS. Now what is PaaS? PaaS is basically known as platform as a service, which also commonly known as application platform as a service. Okay, so what is happening in this one? In this one we are going to create, means we are creating that particular kind of computing service which provide a platform and allow the end user to develop, run and manage their service very easily. Okay, now the second kind of services is SaaS. What is SaaS? SaaS is also known as software as a service, which is right now really common, and so many companies are developing SaaS platforms for their, for solving some specific niche problems. Okay, so what is SaaS? SaaS is a service, or you can understand that SaaS is SaaS as a software licensing and delivery model in which software is licensed on a subscription basis and it is centrally holded onto that, like hosted onto that. Okay, the third one which is also using by the IT companies, which is the IaaS, which is the infrastructure as a service. What we are doing in this one, we are creating those kind of online services in which we are providing high level of API data, like reference various low level details of underlying network infrastructure, and this is the most secure, which because every entire thing, like entire infrastructure is going to dedicate for one company size. Okay, now if we are going to discuss about few cloud computing services provider, then in your mind, like the first name is coming as the AWS, which is Amazon Web Service, which is built up by Amazon company. The second one is Google Cloud Services, which is provided by Google. The third one is Microsoft Azure Cloud Computing Platform and Services, which is providing by Microsoft. And the fourth, which is specifically so famous in China, but also it is having, means they are having presence in all over the world, which is the Alibaba Cloud, also known as AliYun Clouds. Okay. Now, if we are going to discuss about like what is the career in cloud computing in the upcoming time, then I must say that is one of the hottest technology with a really high demand for the qualified professionals. Okay, and if we are going to check the median salary for IT professionals currently into cloud computing career, which is in USA, which is around 124,000 USD. But how you are going to get this beautiful salary? For that you must need to get some certification either from one of the cloud computing, in which I will suggest you to start with means go with AWS certification. But here I listed some certification examples, which is the AWS certification, Azure certification, Google Cloud certification, etc. So I hope this video gave you some common idea like what is cloud computing, and you should learn into 2020, which is the upcoming year, and make a really beautiful career growth into that. So thanks for watching my video. See you in the next video. Till that, subscribe my channel, comment down what you like and what you don't like about my video. Don't forget to like my videos, like my channel, and share with others. Thank you. Bye bye.